Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a sentence in French. To make a sentence we need to know three things. What are these three things? What does these three things mean? The first thing is we need to know subject. What does subject mean? Subject, that the person who does the action. Who does the action? The subject. Alright. About the second one. The second one is the verb. The verb is the action. Okay? And the third thing is objects. Object. The thing that receiving the action. So what are the subjects in French? The subjects, as I told you earlier, the subject is like the person who does the action, right? So what are this person, what are the subjects in French? Like je, I. In English we call it I, in French je. And the second one is tu. The second subject, which means second person singular. Tu, you. In French we have two you. The one is singular, the other one is plural. So this one is tu, this one tu is singular. So and the third one, third person singular in French, he or she in French, il, elle, il or elle, il, elle, he or she, il, he, she, elle. And first person plural, nous, which means we, nous. And second person plural, vous, you, vous for plural, vous for many person. Okay, vous, second person plural, you. And the last one is they, il, elle, il for boys, they, elle for girls, they. Okay, for example, Abigail in the salon, elle. Nathan and Christian, il. Okay, so if they are boy we use il, if they are girls we use elle. Okay, about the verbs. What are verbs? So now let's see some verbs. I'm going to show you some verbs. Parler, to speak. Manger, to eat. Boire, to drink. Aller, to go. Venir, to come. Dire, to say. Écouter, to listen. Comprendre, to understand. So those are a kind of verbs. The third one is object. What are the objects? Like le travail, work, l'étude, study, la voiture, a car, deliver, books, le sport, sport, le poulet, chicken, la pizza, le poisson, fish, like that. Those are a kind of objects. So we put together subject, verb and object. Subject plus verb plus object. We follow this rule to make a sentence in French. So now let's make a sentence. Okay, you help me out to make a sentence. I give you subjects, some verbs and objects. So using those things, we are gonna make a sentence together. Okay, the first thing. Je mange du poulet. Je mange du poulet. I eat chicken. Je mange, je is subject. Mange is a verb and poulet is chicken. Je mange du poulet. I eat chicken. Tu lis des livres. Tu lis des livres. Tu lis des livres. The subject is what? Why the subject in this sentence? Tu. And the verb? Lis. And the object? Des livres. You read books. Il va au travail. Il va au travail. Il va au travail. The subject is il. The verb is va. And the object is travail. Il va au travail. He goes to work. He goes to work. Elle parle l'anglais. Elle parle l'anglais. Elle parle l'anglais. Okay? What is the subject? Elle. Elle. And the verb? Parle. And the object? L'anglais. Elle parle l'anglais. She speaks English. Nous allons au restaurant. Nous allons au restaurant. Nous allons au restaurant. Nous allons au restaurant. Nous, the subject. Allons, the verb. And the object is a restaurant. We go to the restaurant. Vous aimez le sport. Vous aimez le sport. Vous, subject. Aimez, verb. Le sport, object. Vous aimez le sport. You like sport. Il va à la bibliothèque. 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 He goes to the library. Il, subject. Va, verb. And bibliothèque, object. Alright, let's revise now. Je mange du poulet. Je mange du poulet. Tu lis des livres. Tu lis des livres. Il va au travail. Il va au travail. Vous aimez le sport. Nous parlons le français. Nous parlons le français. Nous parlons le français. Now you understand how to build a French sentence, right? So you can make your own sentence using subject, verb, object rule. What are the subjects? Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. The verbs like manger, parler, aimer, boire, écouter, like that. And the objects, le travail, le sport, le restaurant, le poulet, like that. So, alright, write your sentence in the comment area, and then I'll check and correct it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. A plus.